My sincere prayers for a very lovely and pleasant evening, and wish you all a very good evening. My name is Suresh. I quite recently met Devarkonda Raju garu, and it just so happened that he gave me a feeling that we have already been associated for a very long time. I never felt that I just met him for the first time, because there have been a lot of common friends who are projected between us, to both our eyes together in between, standing as someone who has been together on a good platform. And more impressively, the way in which he has been conducting this foundation, this society of the we Telugu people in a state of Tamil Nadu, which was originally Andhra in a way, is something which is very scintillating, because it's very difficult for a one-to-one help in a situation like this, but he has been extending it to several, and all those beneficiaries, not claiming that without much of a publicity. So this is one thing which is a very great quality that determines the attitude of a person. That's what I can say. See, attitude is more important than aptitude in life. So attitude is one thing which can set you very high. Aptitude is one thing which you work with achieving something. But with a good attitude he has set in, he has been able to achieve the hearts of good people with fulfillment and accomplishment through his very calm and wonderful deeds, which cannot be spoken in words or expressed. But those who have experienced and felt and got benefited are people who will love to speak from their heart and not with their mind. And that shows his attitude, and we are all here together to back him up and build up that attitude. We like-minded people with that kind of an attitude should come forward and definitely strengthen his spirit and his morale of stepping forward in leaps and bounds. We are all with you, sir.
Thank you.
And all the more, a very wonderful day in your life.
Thank you,
Is a very happy birthday.
Thank you.
And many more returns of such a wonderful and miraculous day.
Thank you.
For what years and years and more years to come, and we'll all be celebrating like this again and again. And my best wishes and prayers to you and to your family, and to all the Telugu friends here I've met for the first time. Thank you. Namaste.
Thank you.